Hi there, this is Lucius LaFromboise from ENG Suite, and today we're going to continue our talk on Excel VBA by learning an else statement. So we've already looked at ifs, ands, and ors, and now what we want to look at is else. So how this basically works is, we know how an if statement works. If this condition is true, then we execute this code. But what if we want to do something if it's false? If that would fail this if, because that would be a false. What we can then do is say else if test equals false. All right. So let's see what happens. We know that false will not execute this code, but it will execute this code. So maybe to examine this a little more, let's say if 10 equals 11, then if test equals true, else if test equals false. So if this is true, we execute the code between then and else. If it's false, we execute between else and end if. So 10 is not equal to 11. We should assume that we'll get a false out. So here we are in our workbook, equals if test. And there we go. We get a false value, because we know 10 and 11 are not true. And that's how you use an else statement. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and please do something awesome.